All of you, welcome back again to your cricket stadium. That is what we were studying. So I was talking about that is mostly for the boys, which are the fans of various cricketers. They are lovable cricketers whom they wanted to win every time and wanted to see. So this is all for you. That is the stadium, various stadiums located in India and in the world. So that we will discuss. Okay. Again, we are going to start. So that is first the M.A. Chidambaram Stadium, Chennai. M.A. Chidambaram Stadium is a cricket stadium in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. It was established in 1916 and it is the second oldest cricket stadium in the country after Eden Gardens in Kolkata. Okay, the capacity is 50,000. 50,000 people can sit. You can see one view out of it. Though the stadiums are all as usual the same, but still you can see the overview. Eden Gardens in Kolkata, just now which we have talked about. The Eden Garden is an iconic cricket ground in Kolkata, India, established in 1864. That is the oldest and the second largest cricket stadium in India after the newly built Sardar Patel Stadium and third in the world after Sardar Patel Stadium and Melbourne Cricket Ground. Melbourne also we will go through. Capacity is more, that is 68,000 seating capacity. You can see the pictures only you can see. When you'll grow up, you can go to the stadiums as well to visit. So that is open for all, just you have to do your bookings and everything. Here comes the Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bengaluru. By the name you can make out. M. Chinnaswamy Stadium is a cricket stadium located in Bangalore. We call it as Bengaluru nowadays, Karnataka. Flanked by the picturesque Cuban Park, Queens Road, Cubbon and Uptown MG Road. This is a 5-decade-old stadium. Is situated in the heart of city Bengaluru. It has a seating capacity of 35,000. These 35,000 people can sit. This is the night view. Children, so many matches as you all are aware, boys especially, they play at night or day, depends on the timing and whatever is their schedule. So it doesn't matter, they have so high lighting facility that it looks as if it is a day. So they can play well, no problem at all. This is VCA Stadium, Nagpur. VCA stands for Vidarbha Cricket Association Stadium and it's known as New VCA Stadium, Cricket Ground, Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. It is the largest cricket stadium in India in terms of field area. The field area is very large. Capacity is that only approximately, that is 45,000. There, here you can see the picture also. Lord's London we talk about. That is the commonly known as Lord's. Simply we say Lord's. It's a cricket venue in St. John's Wood, London. It is named after its founder, Thomas Lord. So Thomas Lord is the founder for this Lord Stadium. It has a capacity of 30,000. Here you can see the infrastructure, how they have built it so nicely. The way they can sit and just accommodate, can see accordingly. They can watch their favorite cricketers here. Savai Mansingh Stadium, Jaipur. Jaipur, the pink city. Savai Mansingh Stadium is a cricket stadium in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. It was named after Savai Mansingh II, princely state of Jaipur. It has a seating capacity of 30,000. See, those which are in India that you can easily visit whenever you want to go. Here is the picture for the stadium. I told you stadiums, they don't have any, like they have a similar picture. But the thing is, you can see how they are built and all. Here comes the SCG, stands for Sydney Cricket Ground. It's a sports stadium in Sydney, Australia. It is used for Test, One-Day International and 2020 cricket, as well as Australian rules football, rugby, league football, rugby union and association football. So they have their own games also. Capacity is 48,000. You can see the picture. Australia, as you all know, everybody dreams to just visit once. So this is the night view of the stadium, and you can see they're very nicely built. So day and night matches perfectly they can play, the players. Eden Park, New Zealand. One is Eden Gardens. Eden Garden is in Kolkata, but Eden Park is in New Zealand. Now it is the New Zealand's national stadium located in central Auckland, New Zealand's largest city. It is 3 kilometers southwest of CBD on the boundary between the suburbs of Mount Eden and Kingsland. Seating capacity is given, that is 50,000. Here is the view. See, this is very beautifully built stadium. That is in New Zealand. You can see well from the picture. Now here next comes the WACA Stadium, Australia. Again, we are talking about Australia. One more we studied of Australia. So it is a stadium in Perth, okay, Western Australia. Stadium's name derives from the initials of its owner. Basically, they make it as a name with the owner only, and the operators, the Western Australian Cricket Association. So that is what the name comes. It is Western Australian Cricket Association with a capacity of 24,500. Okay, you can see the picture, and I think some of you can recognize these players also. Here comes the Punjab Cricket Association Stadium, Mohali. It is in Punjab. So you can see your Indian cricketers. You can make out with the picture. Stadium picture again I have not put because see all the stadiums looks like the same if you see. Next comes the Sabina Park, West Indies. West Indies team also plays. So it is the home of Kingston Cricket Club and is situated in the driest part of Kingston. For many years, the pitch was one of the hardest and fastest in the Caribbean, but in recent years, the surface slowed despite attempts to restore life by relaying it on more than one occasion. Means they are trying to just cope up with the problems. You can see the picture here. That is the Sabina Park, Kingston. West Indies team is also there. Now, this is Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, Hyderabad. Lal Bahadur Shastri, it is in the memory of first Prime Minister, you can say former, not first. The Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium, formerly known as Fateh Maidan, is a football and cricket stadium in Hyderabad, Telangana. The stadium was renamed in 1967 in the memory of Lal Bahadur Shastri, India's former Prime Minister. As of 19 August 2017, it has hosted 3 tests and 14 ODIs. Capacity is 30,000. Okay, in 2017, hosted 3 test match and 14 ODIs. So that is the Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium. It is located in Hyderabad. You can see the viewers, how they are so enthusiastically just cheering up for Indian team. Other teams also come here to have a match, test matches also, ODIs also. Next comes the Premdasa Stadium, Sri Lanka. The R. Premdasa International Cricket Stadium. It is a cricket stadium on Khetarma Road, Malingwata, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Capacity of 35,000. This is one Indian team. It is in the stadium and they are going to they are ready for the match, okay, on the field of Sri Lanka. New Wanderers, Johannesburg. The Imperial Wanderers Stadium is a stadium situated just south of Sandton in Lovo, Johannesburg in Gauteng Province, South Africa. Johannesburg is in South Africa. Test matches, one day and first class cricket matches are played here. You can see one of your favorite cricketers in here on the field. They're marching towards to start with the sports. MCG, that is Melbourne, we talked about earlier. That is the Melbourne Cricket Ground, also known simply as The G, is an Australian sports stadium located in Yarra Park, Melbourne, Victoria. Has a capacity of 1,24,000 people. Round about 1 lakh can sit. There is a view for that. You can see these are all people who are cheering up their various teams which are going to play. Wankhede Stadium, Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai. So this is in Mumbai that we all know. Stadium now has a capacity of 33,108 following renovations for 2011 Cricket World Cup. Before the upgrade, earlier that was round about 45,000, but later on when they renovate the stadium, because you know that whenever there is a World Cup, so some of the innovations you have to do. So now it has a capacity of 33,000. Earlier when it was built, it was 45,000 seating capacity. Here you can see there is a view of it. Mostly these matches 2020 and all, they used to play here. Brabourne Stadium, Mumbai. It's a cricket ground in the Indian city of Mumbai, which was the home ground of IPL franchisee Mumbai Indians. Mumbai Indians team. Okay. It can accommodate 50,000 people for sports matches. So 50,000 can go and have a view. They can see how their players are playing. The ground is owned by the Cricket Club of India. This is the overview. You can see various seats you can see. Okay, this is the shade out of wherever the seats and the players are going to play. It is in Mumbai. So this is all we studied about the stadiums. I think boys have enjoyed and they might be thinking that one day we will also go and visit each and every stadium. So now next topic we'll study